Are you looking for a Slinger job in the UK? This video provides a comprehensive guide on how to find Slinger jobs with the help of Teamworkers Direct. Learn about the responsibilities of a Slinger, required qualifications, and effective strategies to secure a job in this field. What is a Slinger? Definition and role of a Slinger in construction and other industries. Importance of Slingers in ensuring the safe and efficient movement of materials on site. Key responsibilities of a Slinger: directing crane operators and riggers in the movement of materials, securing and attaching loads to lifting equipment, ensuring safety protocols are followed during lifting operations, communicating effectively with the construction team to coordinate lifting activities. Qualifications and skills needed: required certifications such as a CPCS, Construction Plant Competence Scheme, CARD, physical fitness, and the ability to work in challenging environments, strong communication and teamwork skills, knowledge of health and safety regulations in construction, benefits of working as a Slinger, competitive wages and job stability in the construction industry, opportunities for career advancement and specialization, the satisfaction of contributing to successful construction projects, varied work environments, and the potential for travel. How Teamworkers Direct can help you find a Slinger job. Overview of Teamworkers Direct and its services in connecting job seekers with employers. Personalized job matching based on your skills and experience. Support and guidance throughout the job search process. Utilizing job boards and online platforms. Popular job boards and websites for finding Slinger job listings. Tips for optimizing your job search and filtering relevant positions. Networking and professional connections. Importance of networking in the job search process. How to leverage personal and professional connections to find job opportunities. Partnering with recruitment agencies. Advantages of working with recruitment agencies like Teamworkers Direct. How to choose the right agency for your job search. Preparing a strong resume and cover letter. Tips for crafting a resume that highlights your relevant experience and skills. Writing a compelling cover letter tailored to Slinger positions. Tips for acing the interview. Common interview questions for Slinger positions. Preparing for interviews and making a strong impression. Success stories from Teamworkers Direct candidates. Testimonials from candidates who found Slinger jobs through Teamworkers Direct. How Teamworkers Direct support made a difference in their job search. Contact us for more information on finding Slinger jobs and to apply. Visit our website at www.workers-direct.co.uk. Email info@workers-direct.co 2 through 86980. Address 44348 IG1, 1QP, High Road, Ilford.